My name is Brad Lariscy. I'm the Survey and Drone Program Manager here at Thomas Hutton, and I've been with the company 20 years. So I've chosen to stay at Thomas Hutton for 20 years now because the sky's the limit. There's great opportunity ahead of us, and I'm excited to be on a company that's forward-focused and using the technology to move our client focus forward. So a typical workday for me it varies. One day I could be in the field flying the drone, one day I could be stuck to my desk and processing data from our flight the previous day. Always like to keep current on any FAA guidelines and restrictions, so we're continuously studying and making sure we're following all the rules as we should. So it's really important that Thomas Hutton continues the legacy we've built throughout the Southeast. It's what we see and what we live every day. We only have one world, right? So I'm excited to work with a team that really values the resources we have and continues to build upon it and improve it day by day.